Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, as well as coming with the Sport Appearance package, giving you some unique accents and unique rims, as well as the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have seating for 3 comfortably that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and coming in the black sport cloth of the Sport package. In the middle, you have 2 cup holders, as well as a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, and navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever. Favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shut off. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. And then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is part of the FX4 package. And then moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby area with a USB and USB-C. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way from our open space here. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.